In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block WhatsApp group messages without leaving. If a group is buzzing all day but you don't want to leave or make a scene, this method quietly silences the noise and tucks the chat out of sight. We'll do two simple things: mute the group so it can't interrupt you, and then archive it so it doesn't clutter your chat list. You'll stay in the group, nothing is deleted, and no one gets notified. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone or computer and head to the group you want to quiet. Open that group chat so you're inside the conversation. At the top of the screen, tap the group's name. This opens the group's info page where all the settings and details live, like media, participants, and notification controls. Now scroll until you see mute notifications and tap it. You'll see options for how long to mute. Choose always to fully block sounds and alerts indefinitely. On the same prompt, look for a setting that says show notifications. Uncheck that box if you don't want banner pop-ups or previews when new messages arrive. With those two choices, new messages will still come in, but they'll do it silently. No sounds, no vibrations, and no pop-up alerts. You can still read everything later when you choose. Next, go back to your chat list. Find the same group chat, then tap and hold it to select it. At the top of the screen, look for the archive icon. It looks like a box with a downward arrow, and tap it. Archiving moves the group out of your main chat list and into the archived section, so it's not front and center every time you open WhatsApp. This doesn't remove you from the group, it doesn't block anyone, and it doesn't notify the group. It simply keeps your main inbox clean. From now on, messages from that group will arrive quietly and the chat will be out of your way. When you want to check in, open the archived section and read at your own pace. If your app ever brings archived chats back to the main list when new messages arrive, don't worry, because you muted the group and turned off show notifications, it still won't disturb you. And you can always unarchive later if you change your mind. That's it. Mute to stop the noise, archive to hide the clutter, and enjoy your day without leaving the group. Repeat the same process for any other group that needs to be quiet.